Criminally negligent homicide in New York. Criminally negligent homicide is a charge with severe consequences, involving the unintentional death of another person due to reckless actions or inaction. While it may not be as widely known as other charges, it carries significant penalties under New York law. This offense underscores the importance of accountability when negligence leads to a tragic loss of life. In Suffolk County, Long Island, this charge is taken seriously, and penalties can include imprisonment, probation, and substantial fines. Anyone facing such charges should consult with an attorney immediately, as having experienced legal representation can make a critical difference in the outcome. Legalities surrounding criminally negligent homicide. Criminally negligent homicide is defined under New York Penal Law Section 125.10 as causing the death of another individual through a failure to recognize a substantial and unjustifiable risk. This risk must be significant enough to deviate from how a reasonable person would act in the same circumstances. The charge applies when negligence or recklessness, rather than intent, leads to someone's death. This offense is classified as a Class E felony, which can carry a maximum prison sentence of 4 years. However, aggravating circumstances, such as prior convictions or committing the crime under particularly egregious conditions, can elevate the charge and increase penalties. Given the complex nature of these cases, having a lawyer is essential to navigating the legal system and building a strong defense. What is the sentence for criminally negligent homicide? As a Class E felony, criminally negligent homicide in New York typically results in up to 4 years of imprisonment and may include probation or fines up to $5,000. However, if there are aggravating factors, such as a history of prior offenses, penalties may escalate. Habitual offenders or those committing a fatality under particularly reckless circumstances might face charges upgraded to a Class D or even a Class C felony, with sentences extending to 7 or 15 years, respectively. Judges also consider mitigating factors, including whether the defendant has shown remorse or taken responsibility for their actions. A comprehensive defense provided by an attorney can help contextualize the situation and potentially reduce sentencing severity. The process of charging and defending against criminally negligent homicide. The prosecution must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendant's conduct directly caused the victim's death and significantly deviated from reasonable standards of care. This often requires evidence, such as forensic data or eyewitness testimony. Defense strategies may focus on highlighting a lack of causation, arguing intervening factors, or presenting mitigating circumstances that diminish liability. Navigating this process without legal guidance can be overwhelming, making it essential to consult with an experienced law firm that understands these cases' nuances. Effective representation can challenge the prosecution's evidence and provide a tailored defense strategy. If you or a loved one faces criminally negligent homicide charges, seek assistance from the law offices of Jason Bassett, PC. Contact us today at 631-259-6060. Or visit our office at 320 Carleton Avenue No. 4200, Central Islip, New York, 11722, to schedule a consultation. Protect your rights and future with skilled legal representation.